Hello and welcome to this ACES Centre presentation for ICAU 1128B, Operate a Personal Computer. The elements for this unit of competency are: start the computer, access basic system information, navigate and manipulate desktop environment, organize basic directory and folder structure and files, organize files for user and/or organization requirements, print information, and shut down computer. The performance criteria for element 1 are: check peripheral device connections for correct position, and switch on power at both the PowerPoint and computer. The performance criteria for element 2 are: insert username and password as prompted, and note access, privacy, security and related conditions of use displayed on introductory screens. Navigate through the operating system to access system information to identify system configuration and application versions in the operation. And use online help functions as required. The performance criteria for element 3 are: create and customize desktop icons, select, open and close desktop icons to access application programs, and manipulate application windows and return desktop to original condition. The performance criteria for element 4 are: create and name directories and subdirectories, identify attributes of directories, move subdirectories between directories, rename directories as required, and access directories and subdirectories via different paths. The performance criteria for element 5 are: use system browser to search drives for specific files, access the most commonly used types of files in the directories, select, open and rename groups of files as required, move files between directories, copy files to disk, restore deleted files as necessary, and erase and format disks as necessary. The performance criteria for element 6 are: add a printer if required and ensure correct printer settings, change the default printer if appropriate, print information from an installed printer, and view and delete progress of print jobs as required. The performance criteria for element 7 are: save any work to be retained and close all application programs correctly, and shut down computer correctly. The knowledge required for this unit of competency are: basic keyboarding skills, computer functions, basic parts of a computer and various hardware components, storage devices and basic categories, and basic software operation. The skills are: saving and retrieving files to various locations, mouse management, button usage for different applications, reading and writing at a level where basic workplace documents are understood, and the ability to communicate with peers and supervisors. Seeking assistance and expert advice, interpretation of user manuals and help functions, and the ability to input user access details for accessing a personal computer and possibly a networked environment. We hope you've enjoyed this presentation.